kia ora, pula vinaka, and malo lava, everyone. You are here on Virtual Trivia. Yes, today we have with us, starting from that end,
Felicia.
Conrad.
Butter.
This girl doesn't remember her own name. And I am Queenie. Guys, let's do it again, but say in your native language.
Talofa, I am Felicia.
Talofa, I'm Conrad.
Pula vinaka. Bata.
Bonjour, Queenie. That's right, guys. French is also a part of Polynesian language. Did you guys know that?
Tahiti,
Oh.
A lot more French Polynesia. But we're not going to get into that because now we're going to get into the game. For any new players, what do you do, Felicia?
You enter the QR code that is seen on your TV, that you can see on your TV, or enter the website crowd.live, enter an appropriate
code.
username, or use the code, enter an appropriate username, and use a valid phone number.
That's right, valid. Keyword on the valid part. Do you know why, Conrad? Do you know why? Yes, everyone, this is our guest star, Conrad. You may not be able to see him right now, but I just want to let you know that he is here. How are you tonight, Conrad?
I am very good, thank you.
How do you feel about your Pacific Islands?
Great, actually.
Great, awesome. Do you know why we tell people to use appropriate usernames? Chill, man, don't worry. This isn't a test. This is
Use a valid phone number as valid as Conrad's face card, guys. What are the prizes again?
Our prizes are 100 tala from
100 tala cash, sponsored by Sino Polofa Foundation Trust, that you can pick up from Uso Rentals. And now we will go straight into the game with
True or false? Fiji was the first Pacific Island nation to gain independence from British rule.
Is it A, true, or B, false? Pula vinaka, everyone.
Pula vinaka.
And you know, we can say whatever we want because technically we all have little bits of different Polynesian blood in us because it's been many generations. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm actually part Fijian, guys. Like, you see my frizzy hair. It's a part of my Fijian heritage, you know, guys?
That's awesome.
Yes.
Not really.
Yeah.
Guys, 30% went for true, 70% went for false.
I don't know, guys. I don't know much about it, but we'll surely learn. And it was false. 70% false.
How do you feel about that, Conrad? How do you feel about that? Was that your answer?
No, actually it was true.
What?
I don't know, but yeah.
Have you ever been to Fiji, Conrad?
No.
Tough luck.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Fun fact, Samoa was actually the first Pacific Island nation to gain independence in 1962, while Fiji gained independence later in 1970.
There's no way Samoa was the first.
Oh yeah. Welcome to Virtual Trivia. For more fun, share the link to family and friends. That's right.
That's right, guys. You can share the link for more competition because clearly
Competition is best. But then with good meaning, good intention. Don't go beating them up just because they beat you in like a few points, guys. Okay? On to go. What is he?
Tansy is back. I have not seen you in a while. Tansy, do you know Tansy?
Yes.
What is that name 14? Ninga. Malo Ninga. To be Hero X. That's a nice name. Welcome everybody. I hope you guys are ready for a game of Virtual Trivia.
And remember, guys, that was just a practice question. You know what the practice question is for, Conrad?
Okay. Question 2. Which Pacific island was the site of the Battle of Tarawa during World War II?
Is it A, Tahiti, B, Papua New Guinea, C, Fiji, or D, Kiribati? That's right, guys. Kiribati, not Kiribati. That's right, guys. That's so wrong. You would offend so many Polynesians just by saying Kiribati.
Yeah.
What are we thinking, guys? Which one is it?
I'm feeling Kiribati.
I'm actually feeling a bit of Fiji because they gained their independence in 1970.
I'm feeling Tahiti.
My gut's going with B, Papua New Guinea.
Of course, you went with something other than what we just did. Okay,
We want to be different.
Yes, and Queenie takes the win.
And the correct answer was indeed Kiribati. Why is that? We'll never know.
Can you believe we had our own like wars and battles during World War II?
To be
Like, we were involved.
Yeah.
We were involved.
Tarara in the Gilbert Islands, Kiribati. Fun fact. The Battle of Tarara 1943 was one of the first heavily contested amphibious assaults by the U.S. in the Pacific, lasting just 72 hours.
76.
76 hours, but with over 1,000 American casualties.
You guys know what I mean by amphibious?
Please,
Well, I know what an amphibian is, but what is amphibious assaults?
So like both sea assaults and land assaults. So like they were attacking on the sea and on the land at the
and
same
about
time.
1,000 Americans miles away.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa!
State-owned enterprises.
2.0.
2.0.
Wanda, are you really here?
That actually
SOE2. No, that's not the actual one.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
No, we'll
Actually-
never know. Maybe
never
it
know.
is. Hey.
Side noodle, malo, side noodle.
Relax.
Sauce, Samoa.
Nico.
Colinio. Oh.
Question 3. Which island nation is entirely volcanic in origin?
Is A. Tuvalu, B. Tonga, C. Kiribati, or D. Samoa?
Okay, wait.
It's clearly not Samoa.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
There's no way you guys actually thought Samoa.
Whoa.
Origin.
I think
Volcanic
it's Tuvalu, right? Isn't that your family?
No, it's not.
Isn't it Tonga?
No.
Yeah, I feel like you're right.
I think it's Tonga, yeah.
Hey, bro's onto something, guys. Why would you guys go for Samoa? Sure, we had like one volcanic eruption.
We did?
Yeah, we did.
No.
Ages ago.
Oh, I didn't know
No,
that.
I feel like we had like.
Several. Yeah.
Guys,
it was like ages
Tuno.
ago though, and it's in Hawaii.
What did I say? Tunga.
Oh, Conrad!
Hey!
Wait.
That goes against what I just said.
For what?
No, Conrad was right. Close enough.
There's no way you guys thought of Samoa.
Yeah, bro. Fun fact, Tonga even had a brand new island formed in 2015 from an undersea volcanic eruption.
That's
Yeah,
so
remember when that
cool.
happened?
No, I actually don't.
Oh yeah, like and then their sky, the air was like really like ashy.
Like
for them.
we didn't.
Yeah,
we
my
couldn't
buddy
even contact
William
them.
my buddy William actually experienced the volcanic eruption.
What?
My body.
Your
William,
body.
yeah.
body.
He lives there.
Yeah, he's
Tongan.
Tongan.
Whoa.
Shout out to William.
Oh yeah.
Nah, bro.
Volcanic survivor.
I see helium and water, two elements in the periodic table.
SOE 2.0. Wait,
Not one.
is that still an emergency?
Kakashi.
Oh yeah, you know, emergency
No,
2.0.
that's
Wills.
state-owned enterprises 2.0.
fan.
Yeah, there's an SOE.
Sakamoto.
Right now. Sakamoto, love the name.
Question 4. What is the name of the capital city of Manatu?
Vanuatu.
Oh, my bad.
Oh my goodness.
My bad.
Oh, you
Yeah, sorry,
did it.
sorry.
Oh, no.
I think Conrad's right.
Shh, guys, is it A. Suva, B. Port Moresby, C. Nuku'alofa, or D. Port Vila?
We all know this, guys. Come on.
I think it's a
I
D.
think it's
Let's break
C.
it down. A is what?
Fiji.
Fiji, yeah. B is
Sounds English. Tahiti.
Papua New Guinea.
Okay.
C is
It sounds a bit Vanuatu.
Tonga.
Oh wow! What am I not getting it? And that means D is definitely not the. It is.
I got it correct again, guys.
Oh yeah. Conrad knows
Conrad
his
and
stuff.
Felicia are on a
He
roll.
said Vanuatu.
Yes,
Felicia
Vanuatu.
started.
Yeah, he's right.
Vanuatu.
What?
Be so for bro.
But Felicia kind of like broke it down.
Let's
bro.
think. Villa B stands for.
Fun fact: Port Vila is built around an active volcanic chain, so you can literally see steam rising from nearby islands on a clear day. What? That is so dangerous.
Let's think about that.
Manatu. I heard there's like a lot of pearls. Oh wait, no, sorry. Tahiti.
I can't picture that right now.
On a sunny day, I wake up and wow, what a beauty!
I'm not a school for
MPK, most playable queen. No.
Nice.
Island time.
I like that.
Island.
Island
Island time. Navigators Island. You guys are so creative with your names. Yo, Seth, that was my name, guys. Falito esse. Wow. Apple pie.
Hero.
Master.
What?
Ace. I know it Ace.
Let's go. Let's go.
Question 5. True or false? The haka is a traditional dance native to Samoa.
A, true or B, false? Becca, do not cut me off.
I just need to express my opinion for a second, you know? I really do think, what
is your shrink?
I think the odds are gonna absolutely, you know.
We all know Conrad knows the answer, guys.
Conrad, what's the answer,
What
man?
is it? He doesn't know because
I'm not sure.
How can you not be sure?
But you know the haka, right?
Yeah, I know what a haka is.
Oh
Now
yeah.
let's think of everyday Samoan language.
Wait, why don't we first look at that picture? Those are obviously Kiwis.
The All Blacks, guys.
Oh,
Who's
yeah.
that guy's name again?
Kiwi.
McCall. Something McCall. Who was it
And
again?
that's right, guys. It is false. I don't know. I don't really know my rugby unions. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, get out!
Did you know that he's actually I think a lawyer?
That is so
At that
cool.
time, they actually had great jobs. When
Actually?
they played rugby.
Fun fact: the haka is a traditional Maori war dance from New Zealand, not Samoa. Samoa has its own dance called the siva. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Wow, that's so original.
Maybe we're gonna do a whole Tamalunga for you guys at the end, eh, guys?
No, because
And Conrad will be the center of it.
You're gonna dance.
Wait, what do you call the male? Because you have the taupo and then you have the male.
And our first place with that state-owned enterprise 2.0.
Oh, we'll find out soon.
And Island Time at second place, and most playable character at third place. Right, guys? Right, guys? What?
Yeah, that's gonna be so awesome. MPK, come on, man, you can do
I
this.
can't read that.
Believe you. Not gonna worry about it.
Captain, and sixth question.
Question 6. Which Pacific Island nation's national flag features a Union Jack and 4 stars?
Ooh, is it A, Australia, B, Fiji, C, New Zealand, or D, Samoa?
What's a Union
Okay,
Jack?
guys, I've been waiting to tell you guys this because like I did like a whole like homework for this.
Yeah.
The Union Jack is literally the United Nations, the
Oh my gosh.
England flag. Sorry, guys.
Oh!
Flag.
Oh.
I just lost this one. I got
Oh
this
yeah,
one
you
wrong.
lost it. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. We all know what Fiji's flag looks like, right?
And 4
Yeah,
stars.
Maybe.
but it needs the 4 stars. It's New Zealand.
New Zealand!
Oh, someone
Okay, guys.
said Fiji.
We need to do our homework. Somebody go look at this. Go look it up. You know, because guys, okay, let's picture the flags.
Yeah.
I would love to show you guys right now, but we can't.
Fun fact, the 4 stars on the New Zealand flag represent the Southern Cross constellation, which is visible across the Southern Hemisphere. That is a
That's so
beautiful
awesome.
word. Hemisphere. I'm gonna name my son Hemisphere. Oh my
No,
gosh.
please don't.
That's an amazing name.
What about you, Conrad? What are you gonna name your son?
Southern?
Maybe
Guys.
Bob.
Bob.
Bob will
Nah, don't do
Yeah,
that.
no.
I just own you.
Guys, that's him. That's him.
Oh, yeah.
And
that's
first
alright.
place we've got state-owned enterprise 2.0.
State of emergency.
And we've
2.0.
got
Side noodle, guys. Side noodle ace time.
That's amazing. You don't actually get that
But
one.
guys,
Hey, it's Ajax.
Stop Ajax. Guys, wait. I need to educate you on the Union Jack.
Okay, please
Okay.
go ahead.
Union Jack is awesome.
Question 7.
And most countries.
What is the currency used in
Oh,
Tonga?
Conrad, sorry.
Oh, I
Is
know.
it A, Tala, B, Tala, C, Paranga, yeah, Taranga, or D, Kina?
Okay, guys. Dala does not sound like the
Or
one.
Dina.
Tala.
Or is
Kina.
it Kina?
Guys, come on, Tala. You
And
know how, like,
yeah, if it comes.
Shala.
you know the Samoan and the Tongan sound very similar, so you got Tala for Samoan. What if? Maybe I'm wrong. A lot of
Who knows?
people.
Banga.
What
For
what do you
Tuvaluans, it's T,
I think-
but when they say it, they use D.
C, I guess?
Oh, really?
Yeah, C.
So they use Dala.
No, but they spell it T.
Guys,
Oh.
it is Paranga. Paranga?
Banga.
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 Paranga.
Banga.
Maybe you should search it up.
Banga.
Banga.
Guys, you're saying it the Samoan way.
They're gonna be like,
Say
yo, how
banga.
much is this? And they're like, 3 banga. Oh! I'm Tongan. Fun fact, in Tongan, banga literally refers to money, and the currency notes often feature images of Tongan royalty and landmarks. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Is anyone here half Tongan?
Banga.
Or part Tongan?
Paranga.
Banga.
Banga. That's literally English.
Banga.
Paranga. Paranga.
Oh, maybe. And first place, we've got a real Tongan, because he actually knows what's going on.
State of emergency. You got this.
State-owned enterprise 2.0, and side noodle coming in strong with that.
Paranga.
Kakashi, that's a good name.
And is it-
Satoshi, really?
Yeah, maybe, don't know.
Oh, we'll see.
And Lassie, why are you 25th?
Apple pie.
Question 8. True or false? Kiribati is made up of 33 atolls spread over 3.5 million square kilometers of ocean.
Kilometers. For the record.
Kilometers.
Kiribati.
Oh, my bad.
right.
It was like Kiribati.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, guys,
It's still
he's
young.
just a kid.
Everyone's gonna start bullying you, bro. I can't even lie, bro.
Is it A? True
Tarara.
or B? False? Tarara.
Ta-da-da.
That's so awesome.
That's amazing. Ah, people are so unique. Do we have any Kiribots in the audience?
Tell us in our, tell us in our
That's
post because it is true. Kiribati is made of 33 atolls spread over 3.5 million square kilometers of ocean.
Yeah, the arts should know this. Art students, let's get
Look
it.
at the
True.
island. It looks so awesome.
Fun fact, Kiribati is so spread out that it's the only country in the world to straddle the equator and the international date line.
To be
That's
honest,
so
I
awesome.
actually didn't
Guys,
know that.
Do you see
That's
how
kinda
the
interesting.
equator and for almost.
Well,
So awesome.
fascinating.
You see how like the equator, the international
What
date
is
line
this
are like.
Wow, I wonder who's at first place. I just know
I
it's
bet
my
it's
guy.
so-
Stay
Oh,
on
yeah.
Jesus Christ.
State of emergency.
Guys, I'm sure we know who this person is.
I just know she's
Let's
a
see.
girl.
Please let us know if
She's an art student to
Nah,
the
you're a
core.
guy.
Art students to the max.
Maybe it's a Tongan.
You're right. Wait,
Maybe
I really
it's a
had
maybe,
Tony,
maybe. Wait, but some of the questions also Kiribati.
Question 9. Which island group is known as the Polynesian Triangle?
Huh? Okay, I didn't. My first time hearing that. Is it A, Hawaii, New Zealand, Easter Island, B, Fiji, Samoa, Tonga, C, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Fiji, or D, Palau, Micronesia, Marshall Islands?
I look-y think it's Fiji, Samoa, Tonga, but I don't know if Tonga is close enough. I would have said Fiji, Samoa, American Samoa.
I know what it
Yes.
is.
I agree with
Polynesian
that.
Triangle. So that means like it needs to be like 3 countries like that, and all the of Polynesia's inside it. You know?
Oh, you
So, like-
lost me. And my phone just died. What?
What?
There's no way.
Oh,
It
Hawaii.
is Hawaii, New Zealand, Easter Island.
It's actually pronounced Hawaii.
Oh yeah.
Hawaii.
My
I
gosh,
think, guys,
okay.
actually, I don't know.
She's
And it's
your
not New
homework, guys.
Zealand. It's New Zealand.
And it's not.
Fun fact. The Polynesian Triangle is formed by connecting Hawaii, New Zealand, and Easter Island. Inside it lie over 1,000 islands.
See what I said?
Oh.
That actually makes sense now.
Okay.
1,000 is a lot of islands.
So
We
it's
haven't
like-
been to Hawaii. I'm sure you guys been to New Zealand, right?
Yeah, we have.
Conrad?
Australia.
Australia.
Say,
Wow.
there's no
Yeah.
Australia.
Yeah.
brother.
Australia.
Wait, so that means they're so far apart from each other.
Yeah. You
Oh.
know where Hawaii is? Hawaii is.
Bomb clouds!
Oh.
State-owned enterprises went down. Goodness gracious.
But to second place, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, you still get $60, guys.
Probably just Samoa, Tonga, and Fiji.
To Samoa, Tonga, and Fiji.
No, because he was thinking
You-
Hawaii is part of America, like in a way, you know? People are gonna get. What?
Yeah, they're like, it's not in Polynesia.
Question 10. Name the largest island in the Federated States of Micronesia.
Is it A? Is it B?
Why are you laughing?
Is it C or is it D? Who
Oh, she
knows?
can't pronounce it. Kosalai, Chuk, Pohnpei. Oh, Pohnpei?
Guam.
Pohnpei, Guam.
Isn't Guam?
Guam.
Guam is the only island I know in
It's a
that.
country.
Guam.
She like Guam,
But it's Micronesian.
Really?
Right?
Federated States.
Guys, I don't know.
Well, we'll see, guys. I'm sorry, I just didn't want to offend anyone, so I didn't read them out.
Remember,
guys.
we have Micronesia, we have Melanesia, and we have
Pohnpei.
Polynesia. Micronesia is small islands.
Well, I thought Micronesian was full. You know, I'm not gonna say nothing.
Melanesia is the dark skins. No, I'm not
Yo,
joking.
what?
Melanin.
Yeah,
Melanin.
it's
Oh, yeah.
The
True.
my
scientific
gosh.
terms for it.
Yeah, and
Very-
Polynesia-
Fascinating. Fun fact: Pohnpei is home to Nanmado, a mysterious ancient city built on a network of artificial islets, often called the Venice of the Pacific. Venice. Oh, so it's like ancient. Oh, that's so
So
cool.
Pohnpei is what? Is where?
Pohnpei is the
It's in Micronesia, man.
It's in-
Pohnpei is in Greece.
island in the Federated
That
Islands.
is Pompeii. This is
Yeah, I said Pohnpei.
What?
Third place.
Whoa! Oh,
Okay,
this is
I think
hard, kid.
state-owned enterprises have to go through fails. You know, like.
Yeah, yeah.
The mom was like, "Hey, go stop like that here." I would have.
What fails though?
Wash dishes.
And homework as well.
Yeah,
if
true.
they-
Ajax. Who do we know Ajax? How do we know Ajax?
Ajax is Enid's ex.
Oh,
Is
what?
it 35?
I didn't see it, boy.
Question 11. Which Pacific Island nation is the closest to the international date line?
all know.
Okay, come on,
Is
guys.
it A,
Samoa. Samoa.
Is it A, Samoa, B, Kiribati, C, Tonga,
Tonga.
or D, Fiji?
Tonga.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Vincent.
Okay, guys, you see the hint is in there. Fraso
Guys, is
Samoa.
Is the equator different from the international date line?
I feel like it's same.
Similar?
Yeah. You guys remember that fact we read a while ago? Which one was it again? It was about Kiribati, I think.
Samoa!
Y'all are just being patriotic right now. Y'all being biased.
Samoa!
Patriotic.
Dude, we were literally the last ones to celebrate.
Do you think that's why we...
What? Okay, yo, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Something ain't right.
Someone messed up. They don't know what's going on. They're cooked.
Yeah.
Fun fact, Kiribati moved the international date line in 1995. So the entire country would share the same calendar date. What the flip does that mean?
Yeah, what is the international
Didn't they
date line?
say
What do you mean by
Kiribati is
that?
kind of like really big, you know?
To the international date line. Which Pacific Island
So like
nation?
it probably has a bunch of islands and they all have different times. So they moved it in 1995 so that it'd be the same.
Is this an assumption or is this accurate?
Oh yeah!
Let's go more.
Oh,
I
she
said.
came out of nowhere. What?
And state of emergency falling closely behind.
Oh, you're back!
And so it's Colinio. It's okay. Tough love. You see how Colinio has 33?
Matthias.
That means they had to Google the answer real quick.
9 enemy.
You know what I
That's
mean?
some quick
Is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah, that's the
Googling.
one.
Cupcake Nana, I've seen that.
Question 12. Which of these Pacific Island countries is French an official language?
Okay, be so for real.
Shh. Is it A, Cook Islands, B, New Caledonia, C, Papua New Guinea, or D, Fiji? Come on.
I know.
I
I
know Tahiti, so...
Oh.
Oui, baguettes. Baguette.
I'll go with C, guys.
I'm going with
Papua New
B.
Guinea.
New
Conrad, say
Caledonia.
something French.
Bonjour.
Nice.
Get out of the basic. Bonjour, oui. Tous les
Kermit
Je
Frog.
m'appelle Felisa.
Yarana. There you go.
Bro,
Yarna.
what?
That's Tahitian actually.
And the correct answer was indeed Beta's choice, New Caledonia.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Did you say Papua New Guinea?
I said New Caledonia.
Are you sure?
That's what I said. Fun fact, many Pacific islands with French as an official language are still part of France or its territories, meaning you can use the Euro or CFP franc there. Countries French Polynesia, New Caledonia, and Wallis and Futuna, along with the independent nation of Vanuatu. Vanuatu speak. Right. I know someone that's from.
Manatu, you know?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Vanuatu.
Your name's Manatu?
Something like that, you know?
Julio Biblioteca. Okay?
Biblo.
One,
Biblioteca.
biblioteca, toilet. If you guys didn't know what that word was,
Oh, I know who Moana is.
Who is it?
Conrad knows her.
okay, buddy. Wait, Moana could be a man.
Oh.
You guys gender basing?
No.
Who knows?
State-owned enterprises in second place.
Don't we know? At the
Because
end?
these are just
Yeah,
nicknames. So
unless
we're
they
not
tell
sure
us.
if you're the real Moana or you just, you know.
Yes, me.
And we got Francois.
Francois? That's such a pretty name.
Fuswa.
Question 13. True or false? Papua New Guinea occupies the eastern half of the island of New Guinea.
Is A true, B false? Guys, okay, this is like probably a trick question, right?
That's actually a really nice drawing.
Wait.
My
wait.
guts are saying true.
Wait a minute. Let's just read this question again. What?
It's like a math question. Did Sandy eat part of the sandy pie?
Look. Papua New Guinea occupies the eastern half of the island of New Guinea.
So let's all assume
Isn't
yes.
Papua New Guinea the same thing?
So I think New Guinea is the land.
Then what's the country?
Papua New Guinea. Okay, be cool. And the correct answer was correct.
True. So this was just a trick question for everyone that went false.
Oh, that's actually
Yeah,
really
because
sad.
even I'd be confused.
No, for real. I probably regret it, but then once I
Fun fact, the western half of New Guinea belongs to Indonesia, making the island shared by two countries. It's the second largest island in the world. So it's not a country, but it's an island. But it's the second largest. So what's the first?
New Guinea, Papua New Guinea.
Have I?
What?
Ay,
I
karamihan.
don't know anymore.
Moana's still leading.
Oh, Oh, nice one, Moana. In second place with Colenia. Whoa! We're a state-owned enterprise. And Nafanua's gone. I'm 5. What? What?
There's a little kid, Becca. Don't make fun of them. I'm 5.
I'm
the old. I'm 5, but 5.
No, I'm fine. Ding,
I'm fine.
Ding, 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 ding.
It's Conrad.
Where?
Lightning.
Wait.
Lightning. Lightning quick. Chow. Anyways.
Question 14. Which Pacific nation is famous for its traditional tapa cloth art?
Is it A, Samoa, B, Tonga, C, Fiji, or D, all of the above?
Tapa cloth.
Tapa cloth. Okay, it's giving off Tonga because Tonga really love, like, holds so much respect for the.
Is that like an English word for siapo? Or?
I do.
Yeah,
I do believe so.
It
I
is.
do believe so.
So I think it's.
Oh.
I think it's all the above.
Never
The
mind.
ball.
Never mind.
How about Fiji? No, Fiji does. I've seen some.
I haven't. I want to see Samoa Tonga.
Mate mate Tonga.
Mate.
Mate mate Tonga. And I was
All of
correct.
the
We
above.
were all correct, actually.
No. I was
What'd
correct.
you say, Conrad? What'd you say, Conrad?
All of the above. So yeah,
not sure.
Samoa, Tonga, and Fiji is famous for its traditional tapa cloth art. Fun fact, tapa cloth is made from bark of the paper mulberry tree and is decorated with unique patterns that often tell stories
Oh,
of
that's
family,
actually nice.
history, and culture. What?
Right
It's a mulberry tree.
Mulberry.
That is the tree that we all use to make the tapa.
Oh my god.
What does it look like?
There's a tree. But it actually explains stories. I thought it was just like art, you know?
Yeah.
Do you guys know that part of our culture is slowly dying? So we need to bring it back, you know?
Yeah.
Why don't you start by doing
Yeah.
that?
I really want to go to
Yeah,
to
me
the
too.
beach, like,
Wala
where-
mga ay alu may mulberry tree got it down. What?
Don't cut it down.
You're gonna cut it down.
Down to
Oi.
peel off the.
Oh my days.
Why don't we just scrape it off?
Question 15. Which island hosts the annual Sala'ilua festival?
Oh, you gotta be so
Light
funny.
work, no reaction.
Is it A, Tonga, B, Tuvalu, C, Samoa, or D,
What do you guys think?
Light work, no reaction.
Come on, guys.
Wait, no.
Let's be so
We don't even celebrate
okay,
anymore.
3, 2, 1. Let's say it.
Nothing.
Samoa.
You know why? Because we don't celebrate it anymore.
Oh,
We
that's so
do.
sad.
We didn't celebrate it this year.
We missed it this year.
Yeah, we had to cancel it.
Cancel.
Yeah.
We got rid of it.
No.
What? Just we don't do it anymore.
But that's okay, guys. It's just for 1 year, right?
Definitely.
Kalusia.
Don't we all love the Tawila festival?
Samoa. It's
Some of them just really want to be funny, you know?
think.
Yeah,
think.
it's gonna be
Think.
funny.
Think.
Funny.
Think. What do you mean?
I know why. Because they thought Tawila starts with T, so Tuvalu and Tokelau.
Oh.
Wait, what about Tonga?
Okay, fun fact, the Tewila Festival celebrates Samoan culture, dance, and tattooing, and is named after the Tewila flower, Samoa's national flower.
Do we have any friends or people named Tawila that we know of?
I do. Shout out to, well, we're not really friends, we're acquaintances, but I consider you a friend.
Oh, okay, buddy.
Shout out to you, Tawila. She
Okay.
is a beautiful malu.
Oh, does she have a Tewila?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's up to the tattoos.
that's amazing. Yeah, I really do love that. And where the churches come together and they all like start dancing, singing.
Question 16.
Oh, yeah.
True or false? Nauru is the smallest island nation in the world by land area.
Is it A, true, or B, false?
It's Nauru, buddy. Not
No,
Nauru.
he is right.
Wait, it's Nauru.
He's right.
You can
I
say no.
had it for primary. We kept saying Nauru.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it was
Right, let's
out
all
here
chat,
primary.
ready? Nauru.
Nauru.
Oh,
No, be quiet,
no.
be quiet. You just made that up on the spot.
I am not. I swear, that's what we did.
I swear, I remember.
Back in primary.
Back in primary.
That's
Yeah.
where they hosted Miss Pacific Islands.
The Pacific Games.
20, where
Moana
Moana won.
yeah, I
true.
saw that one.
Oh, so awesome.
So Moana, you better get this right.
Whoa! Okay, buddy.
And it is.
Oh yeah.
True.
Have we ever been there, guys? I
Nah.
haven't.
That's okay, Michelle. We didn't know that.
Oh wait, what? It's smaller than Tuvalu?
Yeah.
Than Vanuatu?
Oh yeah.
Fun fact, Nauru is only 21 kilometers square, making it the world's smallest independent republic. It's so tiny you can drive around the whole island in about 1 hour.
Wow.
You can do that in Samoa too. Nauru is the third smallest country in the world by land area after Vatican City and Monaco, but it is the smallest island nation.
Wow.
Vatican
You can do it too in the Polo. In the Polo, you just drive around 1 hour. Come on. Wait, 2 hours. My bad.
No, Becca, it's gonna take more than that. Have you never been around for a ride around that whole island?
Which island?
It's about like 6 hours, and it takes. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Our island.
No. Only 2 hours.
No, around like 4.
Oh, me and Conrad can't relate.
It's okay.
Alright, one's from Savai'i and the other one's from.
What's that?
What this is? Somebody is for Samoa. What do you mean?
No. We're talking about Ubodo, guys. Oh, Momo and Moana got it.
Oh yeah, Moana.
She knows her stuff. Remember, guys, what is at risk is 100 tala cash,
For first prize.
60 tala cash,
Second prize.
and 40 tala cash.
30. Third prize. I'm sorry.
30 prize. Third
Third.
place, guys. Must.
Captain is on his way to get 30, 40 tala.
Question 17. Which Pacific Island nation switched from driving on the right-hand side to the left in
We all know that.
2009?
That is correct.
Okay, guys,
Is
now-
it A, Fiji, B, Samoa, C, Vanuatu, D, Toa, on
Whoa.
the road again?
Conrad, when were you born?
On the road again.
2011.
What?
Oh.
11. You're a baby. You
Not
didn't
even a
exist.
baby.
You didn't exist.
But I was like
On the road again.
Yeah.
and she was 1. Betsa was
Don't
1.
let that image fool you. I'm 32.
You wish you were.
Yeah, that image looks like it's not even in Samoa, bro.
And the correct answer was indeed
Samoa.
Samoa.
Yes, no, I'm at the age where I'm driving right now, and I can't imagine suddenly shifting to the other side. So in that year, when people had to suddenly switch, it must have been so.
I bet they were so mad.
I bet there's so many car crashes and insurance deficit. Fun fact: Samoa switched to left-hand driving in 2009 to make it easier and cheaper to import vehicles from New Zealand and Australia.
It was for a good cause.
Amazing
cause.
for our country.
What do you mean?
What do you mean by the way?
Better-
Okay, so New Zealand and Australia drive on the right side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the
Arr!
Americans that use the left.
Moana got it correct again.
Wow. Hey, Moana, can you send us a picture after? We want to know who you are.
She's gonna send her more one Instagram pictures.
Oh, it's you.
Do you reckon?
Nafanua. Who's Nafanua again? It's the war
goddess.
goddess.
The warrior.
Sala'ilua Langi's daughter.
Wow, you know your stuff, don't ya? That
I love her story though. It's so.
I
so
actually
amazing.
don't know Nafanua's story.
and
Question
question 18.
18.
What?
What
Yeah.
is the name of the highest peak in Fiji?
Is it A, Mount Tomanivi, B, Mount Sicily, C, Mount Victoria, or D, Mount Waiale?
So Nafanua was actually she was like the female that actually beat all the
for
males.
later.
No, say it
Like,
now.
she was like so strong.
She beat all the males, eh?
Yeah, they were so ashamed that a woman beat them.
Hey!
Oh, think about female supremacy.
Period.
But here we are with the mountains.
Mount Tomanivi. Tomanivi.
Okay, for you who went for B, you're really funny.
Funny stuff.
They're just a baby bird.
Now Victoria. Oh yeah, definitely.
Ooh, Mount Tomanivi is the correct answer.
Mount Waihalehale from Fiji.
I've been to Fiji and I've never been on that mountain.
Mount Tomanivi. I don't think of that. Fun fact: Mount Tomanivi, formerly called
Ooh.
Mount Victoria. Oh, I get it now.
Oh.
Rises to 1,324 meters and is covered in lush tropical rainforest, perfect for rare bird species. Oh, so what the flip? They've got a lot of
They
rare.
changed the name
No wonder why people get confused.
from
you know?
English to Fijian.
Remember, because they were colonized.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah,
But
you're right.
weren't we all at one point?
Yeah, we were all at one point
at
called
one
that for
point.
the Europeans, guys.
But forgiven, mainly not forget.
Boy, Moana got that wrong, but that's okay.
But
He's
they're still up there.
fine. It happens.
Island time is back, but state-owned enterprises is gone.
State of emergency. Goodbye.
Smee. A4 paper. Wow.
I love that.
I'm a big fan. Carol. Hey.
Jack.
Question 19. True or false? The population of Tuvalu is less than 1,000.
12.
12,000 people.
Oh,
Or
my
if
poor
I
brother.
just like me.
Is
I
it
thought
A,
that was-
true, or B, false?
Tell us, Tuvalu girl.
How do you
How do you think of your
What do
country?
you think?
I believe yes.
Yes, I feel like it is less than that.
Look, bro, the airplane is right next to the ocean. People wake up and right next to the road is the beach.
I know.
That must be so awesome.
Yeah, that's actually really cool.
Sea levels are rising, guys. Global warming is not a joke.
It's true.
I'm sorry, I laughed. True, it was indeed the true answer.
True.
Yes, the population of Tuvalu is less than 12,000 people.
Oh,
That's so sad, though.
But what about Samoa? It's okay, never mind. True. Fun fact: Tuvalu is one of the smallest countries in the world by population. Oh, with just around 11,000 people, and it's so low-lying that it's threatened by rising sea level.
So like it's really
Flat.
Oh my gosh, imagine that.
Is it air pressure pushing it down?
what?
Oh, my
No,
bad.
better.
No, sorry.
Oceans are just rising.
Arr.
There's too much rain because of the climate.
So they're only
What?
small.
I thought it was because of the ice
ice-
caps melting.
Ice caps melting. The changes in the weather patterns. It's what do you call it?
Yeah, it's really serious, guys. This is not like a joke, you know.
Yeah, you remember penguins? Happy Feet?
That's wrong.
Was it Happy Feet that had
Happy Feet, yeah.
pollution? No,
Or they just
Ice
dancing.
Age. It was Ice Age.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ice Age.
Happy
No,
Feet as well.
No.
Do you guys know that?
They were just dancing.
Well, let's
Happy feet like.
That's the
with-
only thing you guys got from that movie.
Yep, that is probably the only thing we got
You
from
want me to
that.
top dance here for you?
Question 20.
Our last question, guys.
The last one, yeah.
Which Pacific island nation is home to the world's largest colony of zuri terns?
Yep.
Sometimes numbering over 2 million birds.
What is that?
Is it A, Samoa,
That's
B,
Angry Bird.
Tonga, C, Palau, or D, Kiribati?
That's
Going
Bird
by
Island.
Yeah, what is that GIF supposed to be? The secret lives of birds or something? They live in a cartoon.
Oh, so many people believe it's Palau.
Palau.
What are sooty turns? Like suits?
Maybe.
Fires?
It is Kiribati. Oh, Palau, that's where Eki went for his...
Oh yeah, he went. Manao Autu.
Sooty turns like soup from
Birds.
the
They're birds.
volcanic.
Perchance we could search it
They're
up.
birds. Sooty turns.
Oh,
They're
birds.
Guys, go search them out. They're like really cute birds.
Fun fact: the Sooty Tern colony on Christmas Island, Kiribati, Christmas Island, is so massive that the sky can darken with flying birds doing nesting.
That's
season.
why that's why
Whoa.
Bird Island is on
Oh.
the GIF.
That the Bird Island. Oh, they
From
have.
Angry Birds.
That's actually kind of
That's not
interesting.
Angry Birds. Is that the game Angry Birds?
Guys, you guys see snow? I think that's supposed to be Christmas
That's that's what? The sky can dark because there's so many birds?
Island. That's awesome, right? Imagine that. Just it suddenly gets dark. and
That's
you're
scary.
Like, the bird.
I'd rather
With
see it,
whole
but to
flocks
hear
of
it.
them, like,
Yeah.
Oh, true. It's scary.
And our winners are
Conrad
Conrad.
is doing honors for us.
Conrad.
guys.
Conrad.
Conrad will announce it.
Announce.
third place, Josh.
Oh, what the flip was?
You got
Second
the
place,
Josh.
Island Time.
Yay!
Time.
Last but not least,
First place.
first place, Captain.
Captain Ahoy.
What is up with this list? Wasn't one at the top?
Moana SOE 2.0. Whoa, where are you?
Where
guys?
are you?
Go.
Yo.
Guys, I know Josh. Well done, Josh. Josh, because you're not joshing around, you know.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Don't you guys
What?
know New Zealand slang? Joshing.
No, be quiet.
You gotta be joshing.
Malolo, oi. Malolo.
Okay.
Colini. Oh my goodness. Moana went
Okay.
so down.
Guys, don't forget our next round is our voting round for next week's theme.
Theme, guys, we're gonna do very intellectual ones. No more. None of that
I think this
nonsense.
was intellectual enough. What do you mean?
Okay. Weird science, math in real life. What the flip is weird science? Math in real life, legends
Weird
of the
science,
what the?
math.
We've already done that. Word wizards.
Well, we didn't do.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
We did facts about the Pacific. We didn't do legends of the Pacific.
Oh, so this is like hardcore history living.
Like Nafanua.
Yeah.
and Tene.
Tene.
But look
Tennis
at where
Tennis
this-
out.
Yeah. Guys,
Oh my bad.
tread lightly on that topic, okay?
Tread.
Very lightly.
Tread lightly.
Now, you audience.
What do we want, guys? What do we
I
want?
want other.
What do you want?
Actually, no. Word wizard. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Happy Sesame, happy Sesame.
What is the longest word in the office area?
The longest word?
It's the volcano. No, but it recently changed.
Okay. Whoa,
It
really?
did. Volcano, you kill those super close in the
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh sis.
Okay, what is our next theme? Come on, guys, let us know.
Why don't we do math in real life? So excited for this.
No.
So excited for this.
So excited.
Where's the result?
Can be like
Can we next
easy in
the
that.
thing?
Conrad and I hate math.
I can tell.
Word wizards. Oh.
What is
What are we gonna do with that?
Yes, keep changing. Guys, you guys need 8% more to change. It's other or weird science. I don't care anything else but supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
And word.
What do you mean by we're wizards?
Word wizards. You know,
Wizards.
you just do like a bunch of words.
Doesn't that have like
Is this
the
like
tongue twisters in
abracadabra?
there?
Is this tongue
Tongue
twisters?
twisters in there.
Yeah, and like see,
Awesome. Say one, Conrad, right now.
Oh.
Live TV. Do not stutter.
go.
Do not make mistake.
Seashells, seashells on the seashore. Who
Where we
sells
do
seashells on the seashore?
idioms, spellings, famous quotes, origin of sayings. You know.
How many woo would which
God is good. Hey, that's one of the quotes. God is good. Hey.
yeah,
That's fun. That's fun.
That
Very
is good, but
popular
who
quote.
made it?
Who made it, Conrad?
I'm not.
And that's where we do our research, guys. That's where we do our research. And now we're coming to our photo comp, where you send us photos of love.
We want to see Moana, SOE 2.0, our winners.
State-owned enterprises, the people that didn't win. But were
Nope,
like,
nope. State of Emergency 2.0.
They were literally in the top 3 for 90% of the game, and somehow went down on the last question.
You know what that means, guys? They had an emergency.
We got lost out. Moana went to help as well.
No, you're right.
Who knows?
You're right.
Who knows?
Conrad, you want to shout out to your friends playing? Unless they're too cool for this game.
You don't got friends? It's okay.
Oh, no, stop.
Nah, I do, but
Conrad
I'm not
is
sure if they're
the
playing.
popular guy in school.
Thank you very much. Awesome quiz and MC.
Thank you, Walter.
God bless you, brother.
Walter.
Walter.
I know Walter.
Wafer?
Water.
Water is life.
That's awesome.
MC? Main character?
No.
Thank you. Thank you. That's me.
Awesome quiz and MC.
What does MC mean again?
Us.
No, If it's like a long term. Main
Um,
character.
That is it.
It's me.
Nice try, Neymar.
Oh, I just know
Oh.
who these people are.
Like Mbappe.
I think Neymar is Owen.
Do you like Neymar?
Neymar.
Do you know Neymar?
Is that like some soccer player?
Yeah.
Sama.
Are you Cristiano Ronaldo or team?
Messi, guys.
Messi.
Messi.
Oh, yeah.
I
This
know
is the goal.
Messi. Absolutely not.
I'm nowhere in
But
the
that's
football.
not the point, guys. You gotta tell us. What are you? What's your...
Science, yes, me. I agree.
Nice try,
Shmee.
Neymar.
Nobody wanted to do weird science like I did. I love weird science.
What would be weird science, though?
Like the bubbling of
Lava lamps.
sodium bicarbonate when you add
Good job, guys.
acidic.
Good job,
So it's like how to make slime. So you get
Yeah.
baking soda.
I know how to
and you
make a
get-
lava lamp.
Be quiet. I know how to make a baking soda slime. I actually forgot. But you know, everything you have to have is an activator. I never had an activator.
So,
Alright,
activated.
bring my game.
W. William Best.
What?
W. William Best.
Oh, it's a man! I told you it was a man! It's not a woman!
Signing out. Oh, wow.
That's
Conrad, bring my game tomorrow.
My
hey,
guy,
Conrad, you
my-
better give that guy's game tomorrow.
What are prices again, please? Okay.
what's prices?
Okay.
Palolo
so,
season coming.
I think you're talking about the
Lucky
money
boy.
Palolo season
You're a
coming.
lucky
Oh,
boy.
true. Right,
Am I a lucky boy?
Conrad's one lucky boy, guys.
Oh no.
right. Be surrounded by.
Wait, be
Lucky
quiet.
girls.
Say the prices now. Say the prices now.
Okay, first place you get 100 Tala cash prize sponsored by Sino Polofo Foundation Trust, where you can pick it up from Uso Rentals. Second place gets 60 Tala cash from Uso Rentals, and third place gets 40 Tala cash from Uso Rentals. And if you were a family playing together and you get 1, 2, 3, that's 200 Tala cash for you.
Yeah, please. You won't be able to play next week. Please refrain from playing family.
Biology. Yes.
Great game, TV5. Thank you for today's game.
We must do biology.
I will put that in next
Oh,
week.
it's a face.
Yes.
A4 paper is me.
You're right.
A4 paper is
is
Owen.
Owen.
Oh, hi,
I'm
Owen.
Owen.
I remember Owen.
Nice
I'm
game,
Owen.
y'all.
Conrad, don't forget to bring the game tomorrow.
Nice game, y'all.
What the fuck?
It's Ted.
I love her. True, true.
And we love you, pal.
And so does Conrad.
Yeah,
Paul.
Yeah, guys.
You love Paul?
Conrad loves you guys.
Yo, Paul's a great guy.
Good
Pal.
job, guys. Who's
I
that?
love
Is that Nella? Natalie?
Burrito,
Nelly.
burrito.
Burrito Bandito.
Banditos.
Hey, I love that burrito bandito.
Isn't that a brain rot?
Nice.
Right?
Oh, you see?
Isn't it a brain rot?
I
I
don't
know
know.
you're brain wrong.
Thanks for
Oh.
trivia. Aw, who's that? Is that Manata? Mantis.
Sorry guys, we're kind of blind.
Manix. Manya. Manta. Mantafila.
Stop.
Anyways, can I just say, wow, Moana, you're so pretty. FYI, okay guys, this man had the courage to send us his beautiful photo. God bless you, brother.
God bless you, brother.
All you need is love and cake. Okay?
You're right.
Period, Francis.
And when you make that cake with love, even better.
Yeah. Yeah, stay on
All you need is love and cake, and God.
I'm in it. Love, cake, and God. No, mostly God. You don't need the other two though.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you need love though.
Yeah, love.
You need.
Oh, that's what they meant. I'm so sorry.
Hey,
I love delicious cakes.
What kind of free, guys? What kind of free advertisement is this?
Yeah. Give me a free
Give me a free cake.
That's okay. Yeah. Come on, guys. Don't
Totally.
you love us?
Oh, gig. Okay, yeah.
Gig.
Period to that. Jesus cross.
W-Ace by Ace.
By Ace. Mbappe must the word wizard.
Word wizards, please. Next, please.
You got it. Don't worry, Mbappe.
Come next week.
Master.
Who knows?
Oh yeah.
Because
Nice
word
game.
wizard is our next one. And here's a fun question that will come tomorrow. I mean, next week.
What is it?
Dang it, Alicia. Hoop. Wait. I'm trying to think of the
What was Felicia's
No.
country?
No.
What Felicia country come from? What country does Felicia come from?
Who packed the pickle pecked the
You know, be quiet, be quiet. Okay, it looks like.
If Peter Piper picked the pickle pepper, then who packed the
Okay,
pickle pecker?
someone has something nice to say. Thank you for the clarification. Awesome host tonight, and hope everyone has a wonderful night.
Oh, you
likewise.
are absolutely amazing. Hey, same person.
Guys, it's water. It's water.
Is that
Make me
Do you guys
sweat.
remember water? Did water?
Elements. The elements.
Hey, shit.
You're welcome, water.
Burrito,
And if you want, please send us a beautiful photo of
Wow.
I
Of
don't
the
know.
baby. No, enough babies. Okay. Well, it seems like if you guys don't have any more queries for us and more
No
comments,
questions.
we're gonna be finishing off soon. There's a.
Who's that?
Oh, we all know who Owen is.
Yeah, Owen.
Owen's like our regular.
Good to see you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Tony.
Owen, no, don't stop. Someone's gonna take your photo. Dangerous. 2, 1, and chill.
Yes, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us tonight, and to have our special guest here, Conrad.
Thank you, guys.
Did you have fun tonight, Conrad?
Conrad,
I
are we
had
gonna see you next
extreme-
time?
Maybe not.
We better.
Yeah.
What was that? Okay.
Kind of drained. That's
Connor,
fine.
you can say bye there.
See ya, guys.
No! Oh my god! No one! You're not a host material.
Well,
Someone-
guys,
yeah.
Well, thanks for playing.
Hey,
Now-
let Conrad do it, guys.
You lost your
You go.
limelight.
You say some
He's
nice
gonna
words.
get. He's aura farming.
Keep going. Hurry up.
Thanks, guys, for playing for this week. We hope to see you next week. Play next week.
Word wizard.
Word wizard.
Yeah.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Who pick up people?
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight, and a very special thank you to our sponsors, Uso Rentals, Ministry of Health, and Sino Polo Foundation Trust. Thank you so much for everyone joining us tonight. I hope you had as much fun as we did, and I hope you got as much knowledge as we did as well. Correct?
Yes,
Oh, yes.
guys.
Yeah.
Also, get ready for White Sunday next week.
Oh,
yes,
yes.
that's so true. And you see that you can learn some new words for your go local.
Yeah.
Good words.
Matayo, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm just kidding. Don't do that, guys.
Don't.
Not cool. Not cool. Anyways, God bless. Have a blessed week. Hopefully, we'll see everyone else again next week, Tuesday. God bless. So far, so far. Bye, guys.
See ya.